Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have an 8 by 8 inch canvas here on my spinning table, and I'm still playing with some recipes for reverse flower dips, for flower dips. Those who know me knows that I'm using an European products, Amsterdam binder, and some acrylic emulsion for my pouring medium, that it works best with my flowers. But I'm still trying to get a recipe for the US people. So today I mixed some Floetrol, some Amsterdam binder, some glue, some varnish. I will not talk about the exact pouring medium because I don't know if it will work. And again, those who know me, you know that I like to experiment with you here on my YouTube channel and share this with all of you. We will see if this one will work, so I will use just some 3 primary colors. Primary cyan, primary, so I will use primary colors, primary yellow, primary cyan, primary magenta by Amsterdam, and my pearl white mixture. And this is the consistency of my paints. So it leaves a mound and disappears. This is pearl white mixture, Vallejo Pearl medium, Titanium White and pouring medium, and I will use this 9 petal 3D printed flower shaped cup from Paint Pour Store. You have a discount code too if you want to buy one. On the checkout you just type in Fiona 15 and you will get 15% off. So I will basically just spread my base coat down, and with reverse flower dips, you know, it's important that you have a nice coat, even coat, so I will tilt it just an excess paint back into the cup. Yes, I'm so happy. I maybe even like this mixture more because the lacing is so beautiful and delicate and just right. Wow. Just hope that it will not change too much while she will be trying. I'm absolutely over the moon because this is the best recipe till now, I believe. Just love it. I love that I still can see all the colors, but still I get some amazing lacing. I will take you down that I can show you that. So look at this. Just amazing, crispy lacing. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Love it. I'm so happy. Happy for me, happy for you too. Maybe this is the one. Tell me, do you want me to do the detailed? Probably not, because I'm out of Floetrol, American Floetrol, but I can share the recipe. Oh, look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Maybe I would even love it with less. This in the middle. Wow. Happy, happy, happy. Tell me what you think about it. Are you happy with me? So that as much that you want me to tell you all about it. This is it for today. See you on the next one. Bye.